my name is Ariana.
Hi, I'm Sydney.
And today we are making flan.
Flan is a Spanish dessert that is an alchemy of sugar, eggs, and milk that is similar to cake but shares the consistency of custard. Flan is in the recipes all the way back from ancient Rome. Throughout Roman times, chickens were kept for their eggs, which caused them to be produced in an abundance. Romans would use these eggs to experiment recipes, and one of them became flan. Flan was originally savory, not sweet. One word for flan actually is derived from the Latin word flauto, meaning flat cake.
Following Christopher Columbus's discovery of the Americas, flan continued to spread throughout North and South America in the sweet, custardy form we know it to be in today. Flan especially became associated with Latin America, more specifically Mexico, where it is exquisitely and widely produced, primarily on special occasions.
For this recipe, you will be needing a baking dish, a bowl, a mixer, 1 cup of sugar, a 14-ounce or a can of condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, and 1 can or 16 ounces of evaporated milk.
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Pour 1 cup of sugar into a medium saucepan.
Medium-low heat, melt sugar until liquefied and golden in color. Pour the syrup into a 9-inch round baking dish, making sure to evenly coat the bottom of the dish. Set aside.
Next, open the can of evaporated and condensed milk. Pour them into a medium-sized bowl.
Crack the eggs into the same bowl. Add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract.
Beat until smooth.
Pour the mix over the caramelized sugar that was set aside.
Fill a larger baking pan halfway with water.
Place in the preheated oven.
Place the pan with the mixture on top of the larger baking sheet and let bake for 60 minutes.
Remove from the oven and let cool for 2 hours. Refrigerate for 8 hours or overnight for best results.
Flip the pan over on a plate and tap until the flan slides out.
Serve and enjoy!